Hi friends, this is your Shiva. Today we are going to see factorization of algebraic expression. Before going into the topic, let us see what is factorization. Factorization is nothing but writing a given value as product of its factors. Let us take 35 as an example. 5 into 7. 5 and 7 are factors of 35. So 35 is written as product of its factors. Let us see a simple algebraic expression 3x. 3 into x. Since 3 and x are factors of 3x. Let us see another example with two variables 5ab plus a square b. 5 a b a square b. Write each term separately like this. 5ab equal to 5 into a into b. A square b equal to a into b. Let us find out what is the common factor between two terms. A is the only common factor. So take a outside. In first term we have 5 and b. So write 5b. In second term we have a and b. So write ab. In between both terms we have plus. So put plus here. So factors are a and 5b plus ab. Let us see an algebraic expression with three variables a, b, c plus b, c, d plus c, d, e. Find out the common factor between all the three terms. C is the only common factor between all the three terms. So take C outside. Now the remaining values are AB in first term, BD in second term, DE in third term. Now factors of given expression is C and AB plus BD plus DE. Clear, right? Now let us see how to regroup and factorize an algebraic expression. First we need to know what is regrouping. Regrouping is nothing but arranging an expression in such a way in which there is a common factor between the consecutive terms. Let us see an example. 5ab plus 3 plus 5b plus 3a. Now there is no common factor between first two terms and there is no common factor between next two terms also. Now we should regroup it to get a common factor between them. Let us see how to do it. 5ab plus 5b plus 3 plus 3a. In this way, we need to regroup an algebraic expression. 5ab plus 5b and 3a plus 3. Split it like this. What is the common factor between them? 5 and b are common factors. Take 5b outside. After taking 5b outside, we have a in first term and 1 in second term. In 3a plus 3, we have 3 as common factor. After taking 3 outside, we have a and 1. After combining the two terms, we have 5b into a plus 1 plus 3 into a plus 1. Since we have plus in between two terms, we need to put plus here. Since we have a plus 1 common between two terms, the answer of the question is a plus 1 and 5b plus 3. If you need online classes, call or WhatsApp me in this number 9840845541. If you like this video, please subscribe and press bell button for notification on my new videos. Please put your suggestions and doubts on comment box. Thank you.